As you progress in your lighting design, the number one thing that improved my lighting design was downlighting. And really it's getting up higher up in the trees and getting that soft light on the ground, which helps tie in the object you're lighting. If you're lighting a tree and you're up lighting without any downlighting, what you're going to see is the tree is not tied into the ground. It looks like it's floating in dark space. By having some downlighting in it, gives a beautiful shadow effect and it really ties it into the landscaping. This shroud was actually designed at an ILLI conference. I had 4 lighting designers and we went through every intricate in designing how this shroud was going to look, from the smaller beveled edges here to the length of this shroud. The importance of shrouding your light is as you get higher up in the tree or off the house, if you don't have proper shrouding, you see that light source. And so what we want to do is we want to create scenes that you don't see where the light is coming from. We just see the object that we're lighting. In this case is the ground. The difference with this shroud is it's a 360-degree shroud. And my American designers, they revolted at it. They say, I don't want the snoot, I don't like it, you get too much glare on the inside. So we really worked with some of the European lighting designers in designing our snoot. What we found on it, which was amazing to me, is we actually get greater light output from the snoot than we do from our traditional shroud. The reason for that is a lot of the lumens are being blocked by the shroud itself. This funneling effect, where the light is allowed to project out, allows us to have more lumen output and better lighting control. So if you're going 20, 30, 40, 50 feet up into a tree and you really want to direct that light without seeing the light source, this is now an accessory for our SL23 and our SL33. As a lighting designer, when you want to hide that light source, which we all want to do, you want to hide that light source to the maximum ability possible, the snoot is such a great option. This allows the light to come out of the luminaire, but it stops us on the ground from seeing where the light is coming from. So we are so often at our lighting design training courses building luminaires to protect from light glare. As Sterling Lighting, as a manufacturer and designer, I'm able to take these concepts and build them into our luminaires. So if you're a lighting designer and you want to elevate to the next level, the snoot is such a game changer for downlighting.